I am Jackie Weaver, and I am the zone captain. I've been here 18 years, going almost 19 years. There's a lot of good people that work here. The engineering side is top-notch. They give us what we need to build the product. I mean, it's a great atmosphere to work in. I love the people. Just love what I do. I built the first transmission for this series. I built the engines, the drive axles. I've assembled the whole truck throughout the whole process. We put our heart and soul into these trucks, so it makes a good truck. This is the future of this company. It makes me feel good. It makes me know that they're going to get a quality piece to use every day.